If you already own the Potensic Atom 2 or have been thinking of buying one but resisted because there's been one major feature that Potensic have not yet brought to this drone, well, that is no longer an issue because now Potensic have finally launched Waypoints on the Potensic Atom 2, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what waypoints are, how to set them up, and we're going to fly one in a real life mission to show you everything you need to know about this new update. So let's get into it. Now, to get all this to work, we're going to need to install a couple of updates. If you use a mobile phone with your standard controller, you're going to need to update the Potensic Eve app for iOS or Android. If you have the screen controller right here, then you're going to need to update the firmware. And as you can see, that's going to update the Potensic Eve app on here as well. And of course, to enable this all to work, we need to update the firmware on the Potensic Atom 2. Now, there are a couple of other additional features that have come in this firmware update, but for the purpose of this video I'm only going to be concentrating on the waypoints because of course that's really what you're going to be the most interested in. Now, if you are new to drones or never used a waypoint before, you might be wondering why this is such a big deal. Well, a waypoint mission allows you to set a predetermined flight path before you even take off. Rather than flying the sticks manually, what you do is you place points called waypoints on a map. The drone then flies automatically between those predetermined points that you have set, and this is absolutely fantastic for gaining super consistent footage. Taking away all the manual flying, the drone does the exact flight path that you have determined, and what's even more clever is we can actually program into the waypoints for the drone to do certain things at each waypoint, but I'm going to discuss them in a few seconds time. Now, I actually use waypoints quite a lot on my own channel when I'm doing model comparisons because essentially it removes all the human input, meaning I get super consistent results. This is absolutely fantastic if I am doing shots where I'm doing video comparisons between two different models or signal range tests or anything like that. And it's especially good for any of you that want to maybe use your drone for commercial work, such as filming a building site. You can just hit that waypoint mission, and if you are trying to document stages of a construction or a build, or even if you want to, take a comparison of the seasons, for example, and you want to put your drone up every day in the same spot and capture some footage, waypoints are absolutely ideal for this, meaning you get super consistent results every single time. Now, when you are creating a waypoint mission, you're not just telling the drone where to go, you're also telling the drone exactly what you want it to do and how you want it to fly. Now, for this example, as you can see, we can, for each waypoint, set the altitude, control the speed, adjust the gimbal, we can choose the direction the drone faces, and essentially we can even have the drone going different speeds between waypoints, different altitudes between waypoints. We can choose it to zoom in, zoom out, all sorts of good stuff. And we can even set the waypoints so the drone starts recording all by itself, stops recording, and indeed even takes photos. This is just absolutely fantastic and takes all the messing about or all having to think about the shots while you're on location, meaning you could just plan all of this. And the best bit about it is you can plan all of these waypoints completely offline without the drone even turned on. All you need to do is turn on your controller if you've got the PTD1, or indeed just literally pick up your phone with the Potensic Eve app, hit waypoints, and you can just plan and save exactly what you want the drone to do. Then all you do is head to the location, literally scroll through it, hit go, and the drone's going to do exactly what you want it to do, making this an incredibly powerful tool, and one so many of you I know will be super glad that Potensic have actually added to the Atom 2. Now, the only downside I've found to this as it currently stands is there is no ability to sync your waypoint missions between your phone and controller. Basically, there's no cloud upload function, basically meaning that if you create a waypoint on this controller, for example, or if you create a waypoint on your mobile phone using the Potensic Eve app and you switch to either the controller or the app or vice versa, essentially that waypoint mission will not be there. It just stays on the device you've created it on. So hopefully that's something that Potensic are going to add at a later date, that cloud upload facility, meaning you can just recall those waypoint missions no matter the device. So let me just show you how easy this actually is then, and how you can create a waypoint mission using the Potensic Eve app. All we need to do is open up the app, hit the fly button and then this icon on the left hand side, which is for the waypoints. Open up the map, tap the area with which you want to fly and create your first waypoint. And as you can see, I've created this little route, if I just speed this up, where I am going to have the Potensic Atom 2 fly around this building, setting the building as a point of interest. After which, as you can see, we've got a huge amount of options. We can adjust the speed, the gimbal, tilt, we can even adjust the orientation and all the good stuff I mentioned earlier. After which, we're going to have the drone fly off, go take a photo of this historic building, then fly a little bit further on and take another photo of the ships in this dock. And as you can see, it is incredibly easy to do with a huge amount of control. But let's not just show you how to do it, let's just pop out onto location and show you exactly what this looks like in the real world. So we are out on location and everything is set. All the mission has been loaded to the PTD1 controller, so as soon as I hit go, the Atom 2 is going to take off and follow all the points we've set up in our waypoint mission, while I sit back, enjoy the show and be ready to step in just in case anything happens. So that was a flight and demonstration of the waypoint missions that Potensic have added to the Potensic Atom 2. I think this update is absolutely massive, and I'm sure many of you are going to find this feature incredibly useful indeed. So if you did enjoy this video, please do hit the thumbs up. It tells YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch my content. Subscribe if you're awesome, and until next time, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.